Alright guys, welcome to Plant a Garden TV. I just want to show you guys what I use for my compost and what make my earth keep rich. Okay? This grass, every year I leave this grass to dry. Then what I do, I mix it in with the dirt. Every year. So that's why you see I'm not cleaning up the garden, because I want the grass them to grow dry so I can use them. And when they dry, you mix them in with the, you mix them in, and this will keep your garden always rich. I'm going to take up some dirt here because I want to put them in a flower spot. So watch me show you how rich this soil is. This is the richness of this soil. I don't need to add anything to it. You see? Peace and love, my people.